Have you ever had such a feeling that you entered the house for the first time in your life? You sat on the couch and you felt at home and you didn't want to leave that house. Well, so it happened with me and I want to share with you in this video.
Welcome to the property tour of 5,225 Gorce Drive, a recently completed mid-century modern home located in the prestigious Gorce neighborhood of Miami Beach, Florida. This stunning property boasts luxurious features, a prime location, and exceptional value. In this tour, we will take a closer look at the home's impressive features, the surrounding neighborhood. Property features. This securely gated modern beach home features elevated finishes throughout, including Italian flooring, leathered granite counters, and Porro Italia cabinetry and closets. The home is equipped with top-of-the-line Miele appliances, including a 102-bottle wine cooler, and features integrated sinks and Brizo fixtures. ESW windows and doors provide ample natural light and stunning views of the lush tropical landscape that surrounds the property. One of the highlights of the home is the private covered outdoor living experience, accessible through floor-to-ceiling glass doors. The space is perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Gorce neighborhood. Located in the heart of Miami Beach, the Gorce neighborhood is known for its beautiful homes, tree-lined streets, and convenient access to top-notch amenities. The neighborhood offers easy access to some of the best shopping, dining, and entertainment destinations in the area, including Bal Haba Shops and Lincoln Road. Residents of Gorce also enjoy close proximity to the beach, which is just a short drive away. With a saltwater pool and elevated backyard that provides better visibility and flood protection, the pool and backyard were raised to the level of the main living floor, making it a seamless extension of the interior living space. Gorce is a popular choice for families due to its excellent schools, including the prestigious Miami Beach Senior High School. The neighborhood is also home to the Miami Beach Golf Club, which offers a challenging course for golf enthusiasts. Gorce Island, located in the neighborhood, is a man-made island that was created in the 1920s. The neighborhood is home to many historic homes, including some designed by renowned architects such as Maurice Fatio and Elmore Dixon. The Gorce Country Club, founded in 1927, is a popular spot for golf, tennis, and social events. Gorce is a gated community, providing residents with an extra level of privacy and security. Market Report 2023. As we look at the current market conditions in Miami Beach, we see that the area continues to be a popular choice for luxury real estate buyers. The market has seen steady growth over the past few years, with sales activity and home values on the rise. Thank you for joining us on this property tour of 5,225 Gorce DR in Miami Beach, Florida. This luxurious mid-century modern home is a stunning example of high-end real estate.